a Shansuking designer diner. Today I am in Portland, Maine. I'm here for dinner at this specific restaurant that I love coming to. Their specialty is cooking with fire, and they use a lot of local ingredients and specialties that are based in this region. So come join me for my dinner. Let's have some fun. So here we are on the inside. It is a brick interior. It gives you a very rustic, coastal, modern feel. Very fitting to be in a place like this in Portland. Such a beautiful city. So looking at the menu here, there's a lot of seafood focus dishes. Both, they have a huge appetizer list along with some of the more entree, larger size dishes with haddock, salmon. So a lot of variety all over. Just ordered the food. We got about 7 items. Want to really try a lot of the different food palette that they have here, different tastes, different ways they cook it. So I'm really excited to see what comes out. This is the mixed mushroom salad, fire roasted. There's giant pieces of pancetta in here, and about 3 or 4 different types of mushrooms. Nice balance, salty, fatty, sweet from the mushroom. So this is what I'm here for, these mussels in the garlic butter sauce. Just really look at the size of these. It's the size of my thumb. Huge. Juicy. Look at this. Full flavor. These mussels are so plump, they just like burst in your mouth. Delicious, and the butter sauce just goes great and perfect with it. This is the Salmon Wellington for our main entree. Has some really nice tender king salmon in here. Let's give it a try together with the puff pastry. This is quite unique where, I've never seen rice before in a Salmon Wellington. Usually it's like ground mushroom. So let's give this a taste.
Right?
Wow. You better watch out, Gordon Ramsay. Salmon's ahead of beef. A delicious meal indeed. To conclude this evening in Portland, Maine, their concept with the wood-fired local cuisine stands out, and it's amazing. I recommend coming here if you're ever in the Portland area. One of my best choices. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next episode.